Hello friends, welcome to CSB IAS Academy. So yesterday one report was released, that was World Competitiveness Report 2020. Uh, so you may confuse it with Global Competitiveness Report, but World Competitiveness Report is different from Global Competitiveness Report. So World Competitiveness Report is an annual report released by Business School. It is an international business school by name Institute for Management Development. So Institute for Management Development is an international business school. It is based in Switzerland and Singapore. So that international business school releases an annual report, and that report is World Competitiveness Report. So on the basis of competitiveness among the 63 nations, it prepared a World Competitiveness Index. So World Competitiveness Index ranks the countries on the basis of economic competitiveness. So total 63 countries have been evaluated. Among 63 countries, Singapore topped the list. So next Denmark, then Switzerland. So we have top 10 countries here. So India remained ranked 43rd on the report. That means last year also India was at 43rd rank. So the same ranking has been continued. Uh, so what are the areas in India in which India shown improvement? So India has shown improvement, or India recorded improvements in areas like employment growth, current account balance, high tech exports, foreign currency reserves, public expenditure on education, political stability. On these parameters, India shown improvement, but in some parameters like exchange rate stability, GDP growth, competition legislation, and taxation system. So in these areas, India has shown poor performance, and in some there are some traditional weaknesses which are affecting India's performance, like poor infrastructure, so insufficient investment in education and healthcare. So we all know that India spends very much low when it comes to education and healthcare. So India spends some about 5 to 6% of GDP on education, and 1.5 to 2 percentage of GDP on healthcare. So when it is compared to the or economies which are of same level of economic progress with India. So India spends very less on these sectors like education and healthcare. So India is also having a weakness of poor infrastructure. Okay, so all these factors made India to stand at 43rd position in this index. Okay, so the report opened that India should follow the path of China by improving its infrastructure, its social sector like education and healthcare, so that India can make some progress on this index. Okay, so that's about World Competitiveness Report. It is released by Institute for Management Development (IMD). So it's an international business school based in Switzerland. So Singapore topped the list. So India stood at 43rd position out of 63 nations which are evaluated. So to make you clear about the distinction between uh, World Competitiveness Report and Global Competitiveness Report, I also mentioned Global Competitiveness Report here. So Global Competitiveness Report is an annual report released by World Economic Forum. So World Economic Forum, it is also headquartered in Switzerland, Davos. Uh, so World Economic Forum releases an annual report by name Global Competitiveness Report. Last edition was released in October 2019. So this index, Global Competitiveness Index, evaluate nations on the basis of 114 indicators. Okay, so across the globe 141 economies have been evaluated in the last edition. So India stood at 68th position among those 141 nations which were evaluated. The top 10 countries are here. So Singapore, which was the top country in World Competitiveness Report, also the top country in Global Competitiveness Report 2019. Okay. Before that, what is economic competitiveness? So what do you mean by economic competitiveness? So there are many definitions available for economic competitiveness, but one thing is that is productivity. So the factors which influence are the factors which determine the level of productivity of a country. So the set of those factors is called as economic competitiveness. So economic competitiveness is the set of institutions, set of policies or factors which determine the level of productivity of a country. Okay, so you have seen some factors here, like if you invest much on education and healthcare, and if you invest much on capital assets like infrastructure, so that you can improve the productivity of the people. If you can improve the output of the nation, and you can improve the quality of that output. Okay, so if you can improve these factors, you can improve the productivity of the country. Okay, so your employment growth will be strengthened, your currency will be appreciated, your forex currency reserves will be in healthy condition, and your GDP growth will be in upward direction. So likewise, so the set of institutions, the set of policies and factors which determine the level of productivity can be considered as economic competitiveness of a state or of a country. Okay, so that's about global competitiveness report. So international competitiveness report or world competitiveness report is released by IMD, and global competitiveness report is released by World Economic Forum. So India ranked at 43rd position in World Competitiveness Report, and India ranked at 68th position in Global Competitiveness Report of 2019. So that's all. Thank you.